Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you Ingenious technologies that are on a new level 2019. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this. Magic Leap 1's unique design and technology lets in natural light waves together with softly layered synthetic light fields. Both the real-world and virtual light rays initiate neural signals that pass from the retina to the visual part of the brain, creating unbelievably believable experiences. Far more than a headset, Lightwear is a portal into worlds within our world. Its cameras, sensors, speakers and optical relay work together with the super-powered processor in the light pack to provide unique input to your visual system for unparalleled experiences. Retinas are the canvas, light is the medium, Magic Leap 1 is the brush. We've squeezed Magic Leap 1's awesome processing power into a small and portable light pack that clips right onto your pocket. Inside this engine is an integrated GPU and CPU that generates high-fidelity, gaming-quality graphics to create next-level experiences. And not being wired to a desktop means you can dodge the jellyfish after you've made your kitchen into a coral reef. Wield unworldly power with Magic Leap 1's control. An engineering marvel, it doesn't require any additional external sensors to deliver 6 degrees of freedom, also known as 6 doof. Use your control as a paintbrush, a conductor's baton or a weaponized ice cream cone that launches Rocky Road at 14 scoops per second.
The world demands cleaner, low-cost alternatives to fossil fuels. Altero's Energies is answering that call with a high-altitude wind turbine, the BAT. For the first time, affordable wind energy can be delivered to the furthest points of the Earth, powering remote communities, off-grid industries, and disaster relief. The Altero's BAT harnesses stronger, more consistent winds found at higher altitudes. At these heights, it produces twice the energy of an ordinary wind turbine.
The reason high-altitude wind is so exciting and worth going after is really very simple. There's just a lot more of it. Winds 1,000 to 2,000 feet above the ground are on average 5 to 8 times as powerful as what you get nearer to the ground.
Reimagining proven aerospace technology, the BAT uses an inflatable helium shell to lift a lightweight turbine into the air. Power is sent to the ground using high-strength conductive tethers. The BAT also offers a unique platform to expand internet and phone services, weather monitoring, and much more. Designed to be rapidly deployed anywhere, the BAT significantly reduces human and wildlife impact when compared to ordinary wind turbines.
I think Alteros and the BAT is really exciting because it goes beyond the incremental improvements we've seen in wind and offers a breakthrough way to bring wind power to millions of new customers around the world.
Formed out of MIT, Alteros is working with the Alaska Energy Authority to launch the first commercial high-altitude wind turbine. Less expensive, more flexible, and significantly more efficient. The BAT is the next generation of wind power.
And in 100 years, building has changed, windows have changed, and so indeed has window cleaning.
We want to automate all types of work at heights. Basically, if a person is elevated, that elevation is a risk factor, and that's what we are aiming to reduce.
Here at Chaotic Moon Studios, we're exploring a new frontier of biowearables with a project we're calling TechTats.
So this is really going beyond what the fitness tracker is, and we're right now looking into the medical field specifically because there's a lot of monitoring devices that take up a lot of room and space. So rather than going to the doctor once a year to get your physical, this Tech Tattoo could be something that you just put on your body once a year, and it monitors everything that they would do in a physical and sends that to your doctor. And if there's an issue, they could call you. So the Tech Tattoos can really tie in everything into one package. So it can look at early signs of fever, your vital signs, heart rate, everything that it needs to look at to notify you that you're getting sick or your child's getting sick. So another beautiful thing that Tech Tattoo kind of takes over and disrupts the market is in the banking industry. We carry wallets around and they're so vulnerable. With a Tech Tattoo, you could carry all your information on your skin, and when you want your credit card information or your ID, you can pull that up automatically through the system. So the great thing about this idea is that it not only serves a really awesome purpose, but it can also be really aesthetically fun. So Tech Tats are something that I'm passionate about, and our team here at Chaotic Moon is very passionate about, and we're excited for the public to see what we've been creating and to really change the industry of technology with something like the temporary tattoo. And Chaotic Moon is excited to bring it to you in the near future.